Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we are doing an unboxing video of the Alfred Sargent More. Welcome to the Wisconsin Shoe Guy channel. On this channel, we look at shoes. We break it into a couple categories: unboxing videos, general shoe knowledge, shoe reviews, and shoe battle. Hey, I've organized all my playlists on this channel so that you're able to easily find different types of shoes, different brands of shoes, as well as finding all my shoe battles, worth the price shoe reviews, etc., all in one place. Enjoy. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to do an unboxing of a very cool pair of shoes. I reached out over the Black Friday period and to Alfred Sargent to find out about the More and find out if they had any that were available. And I found out that they had a factory second that was out there. And I haven't bought a factory second from another company in quite a while, and except from Alden Edmonds, which I've like documented on the channel before. And Alden Edmonds is local, so right, it's kind of a different proposition. But since I was talking to somebody directly there and we corresponded back and forth, I thought it was worth checking out and seeing whether or not there was an opportunity to see what they were like. Normally, these shoes run at about, I think it said 595 euros or 475 pounds. I was able to get it for substantially less than half of that. And so I thought, hey, let's see whether or not this is something that might be worthy of note. And so I ordered them. And even though I said I wasn't going to order any more shoes, I got these to try out. So here's the unboxing. This is no label on this, okay, which is not that surprising. It is handwritten on there that it's More. Okay. And the box was just wrapped in paper and sent. The box has a little bit of a break in it, which is normal. I don't really collect the boxes, so not a big deal to me. They included my receipt and a like the old-fashioned kind of handwritten receipt there, and then just a little bit of padding here, and then it's wrapped in a blue bag. Not a bag, I'm sorry. It's like a polishing cloth. So, but there are no bags, right? Which again, when you get a factory second, it doesn't always. And here is the shoe. You can see, look carefully, there's a vein right there, which is in the leather, and they consider that to be second quality because you don't necessarily polish out of it. Now, I've had this before on shoes. I know what I'm getting. I know how to polish around it and over it. And candidly, I think that the streaking actually looks kind of cool. So I'm not worried about it at all. But that is the type of thing that would traditionally make a factory second. Now, if you look at the rest of the shoes, these are not worn. They said that they were tried on once, which is why this is what they consider to be creasing, which is like nothing. So, but this is, Alfred Sargent. So they're, as you would expect them to be, they're very cautious whenever they sell something like this. And of course, I told them about my channel. So they were very concerned about sending me a factory second because they don't want people to think that this is the condition that their shoes come. So please understand, this is a factory second, and it is, discounted for a reason. And that's it's not a bad thing. Okay, you can see the lace pattern. They've got wider laces at the bottom. From a design pattern, the overall is there. The soles are just gorgeous, and from a symmetry standpoint, which is what a lot of factory seconds are, these I think look really good. So no issues there. The vein that they told me to expect is what I see, and not worried about it. So, anywho, that is these Alfred Sargent More. I'm very excited about them, and look forward to wearing them at some point here over the next couple weeks. So, thanks for watching.